Good evening, y'all. Welcome to Briar and Stem. This is your host, Dan. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Savinelli Porto Cervo 602. It's a bent stem, rusticated, sandblasted pipe. It's got some oxidation on the stem, and the bowl's a little caking in it. Other than that, it looks like a decent pipe. All right, we are going to change up our process a little bit. I'm no longer going to be using the OxiClean solution to soak my stems in. I got some great advice from Come and Take It Pipeworks. I really appreciate him reaching out and commenting on a post that I put, telling me what the OxiClean is actually doing to my stems. And I want you to take a look at some of the stems that we're soaking in the OxiClean. These are supposed to be black. The OxiClean is actually pitting these up a little bit, so I'm no longer going to use that. I did pick up some LB Pen extra strength deoxidizer, and I'll be using that on my stems going forward with the advice from Come and Take It Pipeworks, so I appreciate that. I did get some restoration balm before and after from them as well, and I also got the restoration kit. Unfortunately, when I got it, everything inside of the content of the package was damaged. For the most part, I was able to salvage the before and after balm and two 8-ounce jugs of the oxidizer. Sent an email to LB Pen. Mark responded immediately. He's going to give me a replacement for what was damaged through UPS, and I appreciate that quick response. So thank you, Mark at LB Pen. Great customer service there. With that being said, we're going to get the camera set up and we'll start restoring this Savinelli Porto Cervo. All right, so getting started here, we're going to disassemble, take the stem off. It's snug. You can see the carbon buildup inside the bowl a little bit. We'll take and clean that up. Not too bad looking though. All right, so we're gonna ream this bowl out. We got the Decatur pipe reamer. Probably start up another size. Yeah, that looks good. You can see there, after a little bit of reaming, it's cleaned up pretty nice inside the bowl. No defects inside of there. There's a little bit of debris down inside of the shank there. I'm gonna clean that out with a pipe cleaner. Looks like there's a little bit down inside the well we might be able to clean out. And we got some high proof or high grain alcohol is what we're using to clean this out on the inside here. It's not that dirty. I'll run the pipe cleaner through it after I get some of this out of here. And I got it's not a tapered bristle, it's just a standard bristle pipe cleaner. It has got some of the plastic bristles on it though. So it's not that dirty to begin with. I bought this off eBay, like I said. Buyer very little sales, but I took a chance on it. It was a decent price. And it was as described, so no complaints from what I've gotten so far. All right, let's take a look at this stem now. It's got some oxidation on it. Like I said, we are going to use the LB Pen extra strength deoxidizer. Got some solution sitting here. Might have filled it up a little bit too much, but I think it'll fit in there no problem. And then we'll clean this up and let it soak for 4 hours, maybe overnight. I don't know. It's 5 o'clock my time now by the time I get this done. So I'm gonna switch that up to a no bristle. See if we can pull it on through. It wants to go, it's almost right there at the end. There we go. Started from the other side. So it's fairly clean. I'm going to get a little more alcohol on here. All right, so this is coming out fairly clean now. I'm going to run this back on through, and then I'm going to put it in the solution over here. Let it sit. And we'll let that sit for 4 to 8 hours, I guess. 4 to 8, not 48. And go from there. And then I'm going to clean the Briar up. It doesn't look that bad. I'm just going to use some Dawn dish soap and scrub it down a little bit with a soft bristle toothbrush head. See how that goes. I'm just going to apply this like I would be, let it sit for 20-30 minutes and then scrub it down again. Try to get off what I can dirt-wise. It's not that dirty to begin with. Depending how good the deoxidizing solution works, I'm probably going to buy the Briar cleaner from LB Pen and change it up from the dish soap that I'm using right now. Let's see a little bit on my finger here. And I'm just rubbing this in for the most part and trying to clean up what we can. There's a little bit of charring on the top of the bowl here. It's not too bad. I'm hoping that this will clean it up a little bit. So we'll let that sit for 20 minutes or so and we'll come back. All right, so this has been sitting for about 20 minutes now. I'm gonna take some water and toothbrush and scrub it down and see what it looks like. Just regular soap and water for the most part, nothing special here. Try to get as much grime off it as we can. Try not to use too much water because I don't want to damage the wood or the briar. Let's take a look at it. So we still got some charring on the lip of the bowl. We're gonna try if we can chip that off with a pick. But for the most part, it's cleaning up fairly good. I'll probably do one more soaking with the Dawn dish soap and then call it a day on this and then buff it up. All right, so after a few sessions of Dawn dish soap and scrubbing, we got the bowl cleaned up pretty well. It actually looks really nice. I was able to get the carbon buildup off the rim as well. That was just using the high-proof alcohol and a towel and just kind of kept rubbing back and forth, and it finally broke down and came off. You see the inside of the bowl looks clean as well. So we'll move on to the stem, and then we'll take this out to the garage and polish it up. Now this is my first time using the high strength deoxidizer. I've seen it on a few videos and it's definitely working. A little more messy than I was thinking, but it's not too bad. Definitely got the oxidation coming off of it. I'm gonna have to find a way to hold this and let it drain, but try not to waste any of it. It's definitely removing the oxidation off of it. I might have to let it soak overnight. It's been soaking for about 4 hours right now, but it's still pretty oxidized. Let me go run it through some water and see if I can clean up some of this stuff a little bit more. Yeah, so I think I'm going to let this soak overnight. I mean, it cleaned up a little bit, but there's still heavy caking or heavy oxidation on it. So here's one of the stems that we put in the OxiClean prior to this, and then we've dumped it, let that sit. This sat in a solution for about 2 hours, but it was previously already cleaned from the OxiClean, but it cleaned up nicely, taking off that, I don't know what that was on there, that white, I want to say, I guess, oxidation from the OxiClean, but I'm not 100% positive, but it cleaned up real nice. All right, so here's the stem taken out of the deoxidizer. We're gonna take this and the bowl out to the garage and buff them up, and we'll be back and I'll show you the final product.